Chapter 6 Major Landforms of Earth. First question, the difference between hill and mountain is: option A hill is 500 meters or below. Mountain is above 500 meters. Option B, a hill is 600 meters or below. A mountain is above 600 meters. The correct answer for this is option B. Hill is 600 meters or below and mountain is above 600 meters. And now, second question, the upliftment or sinking of Earth's surface is due to: option A, internal process, and option B, external process. The correct answer is option A, internal process. The process that takes place within the Earth is known as: option A, internal process, option B, external process, option C, A and B, option D, none. The correct answer is internal process. Now, fourth question, the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of Earth's surface is: option A, internal process, option B, earthquake, option C, erosion, option D, external process. The correct answer is option C, erosion. Now, fifth question is: wearing away of Earth's surface is called: option A, erosion, option B, deposition, option C, afforestation, and D is deforestation. The correct answer is option A, erosion. Deposition means building on the Earth's surface. Okay? That is forming a layer by layer on the Earth's surface is called deposition. And now, coming to sixth question, rebuilding process of Earth is: option A, deposition, option B, landslides, option C, afforestation, and option D, deforestation. The correct answer is option A, deposition. Seventh question, permanent frozen rivers of ice are: option A, ice sheets, option B, rivers of ice, option C, glaciers, option D, iceberg. The correct answer for this is option C, glaciers. Mauna Kea or Hawaii in Pacific Ocean is an example of: option A, undersea mountain, option B, deep sea mountain, deep ocean trench, option C, ocean ridges, option D, largest volcano. The correct answer is option A, undersea mountain. And now, ninth question is: mountains arranged in line is known as: option A, valleys, B, plateaus, C, ranges. The correct answer is ranges. We call it Himalayan ranges or Rocky Mountain ranges, Andes Mountain ranges. All these are related to mountains which are arranged in line. And now, 10th question, example of young fold mountains are: option A, Himalayas and Alps, option B, Ural and Atlas, option C, Kilimanjaro and Fujiyama, option D, Rhine Valley and Vosges Valley. The correct answer is option A, Himalayas and Alps. Kilimanjaro and Fujiyama are examples of volcanic mountains. Rhine Valley and Vosges mountains are examples of block mountains. And now, coming to 11th question, that is fold mountains. The fold mountains are: option A, broken and displaced vertically, option B, formed due to volcanic activity, option C, rugged surface and high conical peaks. Option D, A and B are correct. The correct answer is option C, it has a rugged surface and high conical peaks. Now, 12th question, examples of old fold mountains are: option A, Ural, option B, Fujiyama, option C, Kilimanjaro, and option D, Alps. The correct answer is option A, Ural. Fujiyama is a volcanic mountain, Kilimanjaro is a volcanic mountain, Alps is an example of new fold mountains. Now, plateau is, 13th question, plateau is rich in: option A, fertile land, option B, mineral deposits, option C, A and B, option D, none. The correct answer for this is option B, mineral deposits. Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for iron and manganese, iron, coal and manganese. Now 14th question, statement number 1. Horst is a lowered block and Graben is a uplifted block. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 1 and 2, option D none. See here, Horst is the uplifted land and Graben is generally lowered block. So both are wrong and option D is the correct answer. Now 15th question, Rhine Valley and Vosges Mountains in Europe are examples of option A block mountains, option B fold mountains, option C volcanic mountains. The correct answer is option A block mountains. Now what are these block mountains? Block mountains are broken or displaced land on the earth's surface. What are fold mountains? Fold mountains are the rugged the mountains which are with rugged surface and has a high conical peaks. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activities. Now 16th question, Kilimanjaro and Fujiyama are examples of A block mountains, B fold mountains and C volcanic mountains. The correct answer is option C volcanic mountains. Now 17th question, flat top tableland is option A plain, option B delta, option C plateau and option D mountain. The correct answer is option C plateau. 18th question, oldest plateau in India is option A Chota Nagpur plateau, option B Deccan plateau, option C Western plateau and option D Tibet plateau. The correct answer is Deccan plateau. Highest plateau is Tibet plateau. Western plateau is located in Australia. And now 19th question, highest plateau in the world is option A Tibet plateau, option B Deccan plateau, option C Western plateau. The correct answer is option A Tibet. Now 28th question, African plateau is famous for option A coal mining, option B gold mining, option C diamond mining and option D B and C. The correct answer is option D. Yes, African plateau is famous for gold mining and diamond mining and coal mining is done in Chota Nagpur plateau. And now 21st, Hundru Falls are in option A Deccan plateau, option B Chota Nagpur plateau and option C Tibet plateau. The correct answer is option B Chota Nagpur plateau. Now 22nd question, glaciers are found in option A mountains, option B plains, option C plateaus. The correct answer is option A mountains. In mountains these glaciers are found. Now 23rd question, statement number 1, plains are table-topped land. Statement number 2, Yangtze River is in China. Statement number 3, Indo-Gangetic plains are most densely populated. Option A 1 and 2 are correct, option B 2 and 3 are correct, option C 1 and 3 are correct, option D all are correct. The correct answer is option B. These plains are flat surface. Table-topped lands are called plateaus. And now coming to 24th question, important range of Europe is option A Andes, option B Alps, option C Rockies. The correct answer is Alps. Andes is located in South America and Rockies are located in North America, Rocky Mountains. And now coming to 25th question, statement number 1, Hundru Falls are on river Subarnarekha. Statement number 2, Jog Falls are in Karnataka. Statement number 3, Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for iron, coal and manganese. Option A 1 is correct, option B 2 is correct, option C 1, 2 and 3 are correct, option D none. The correct answer is option C, all are correct. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.